Hello, I'm Dr. Roland Xu. Today I'm so delighted to share with you how to use the product I invented, Pearlcium, to make your teeth stronger, whiter, and also even stop your tooth pains and inflammations in your gum or in your teeth. So how you can do that? So as you know, this Pearlcium is made of pure pearl. The pearl has amazing ability to make the bones stronger and also stimulates the new bone growth and also other connective tissue growth such as the skins and the gums and nerve systems. It also has anti-inflammation properties. So how you can use the pearl to make your tooth stronger? So what I do is and before I go to bed, after I brush my teeth, and I will open up. So we have two pearl powered product. One is the capsule, and this one is made of capsule, and this is just a simply powder. So you can open up the powder. You can use it in a powder, and also in a box there is small teaspoons. So this one, because I already opened it, so this little teaspoon is inside my box. So this little teaspoon, and so you can just get a little teaspoon and put in your mouth. And I normally do it before I go to bed, or after brush my teeth, before I go to sleep. And it's if you do it at night, you can let the pearl powder stay in your mouth longer, so you have even more benefits. Can help with your teeth even longer. And another benefit is that before you go to sleep, the pearl powder can also make your sleep become deeper, and also you can go to sleep much faster. Maybe you get a better quality sleep. And so you just get a little teaspoon and put in your mouth. Yeah. And you let it stay put it in your different teeth part. It does not have much of taste. You can feel your teeth and your mouth really love it. It's really, really effective. I have people have a severe tooth pain or a severe tooth issues, even like sensitive teeth, tooth pain, even have cavities after they took this pearl powder this way. They said that even cavities fill up, and also it's very for you to not have those problems. It will make your teeth stronger. You can literally feel after you took this, your teeth you can literally feel it's become stronger. For people who have sensitive teeth, have a toothache or very sensitive to temperature or like vinegars, acidative drinks, and this will make your teeth will not become sensitive anymore. So this is extremely, extremely helpful. And also you can use the if you have the powder, the capsule form, you can open up the get a capsule. You can open up the capsule. So what I do is I open the capsule. I often like to take it in a powder form, put in my mouth, because of this added benefits for my teeth. And also saliva can really help the pearl be more assimilated in my system. So that's why sometimes I like just to put in my mouth, even with my capsules. So I open it and then I pour it into my mouth, like that. So you can. And so I spill off a little bit. I can put in my skin and make my skin look very good. Yes. So So I hope, like many other people, the pearl powder can help you to have a healthy teeth, beautiful smile, and very strong teeth and gums. So thank you for watching this this video. If you would like to get the pearl powder, and click the link below. Thank you. Bye.